Hey, it's Michelle Ripley, and for this week's Coming Soon sneak peek, we're talking about something every buyer loves to hear: peace of mind. This home has been meticulously maintained from top to bottom, and it shows. The AC unit was replaced in 2018 and serviced twice a year ever since, and there's a warranty in place. Updated plumbing fixtures, including quarter turn valves, all under the sinks, new Kohler and Delta fixtures, and even two new toilets. The hot water heater gets flushed and serviced yearly, and the anode rod was replaced last year. The roof, recently inspected and serviced by Spencer Roofing, one of the best roofers in Tucson, with a 2-year warranty on repairs. Shower in the primary bath, brand new, never used. Interior paint, exterior paint, freshly epoxied garage floors, and the garage doors have been serviced. Add in monthly pest control, bi-monthly landscaping, clean decks, clean windows, new smoke alarms, and new door hardware throughout. And you've got a home that's move-in ready in every way. This is the kind of care you can't always see, but you definitely feel. Want in before it hits the market? Let's talk. Give me a call. Whew, that was a mouthful.